In this video, we review Interactive Brokers versus eTrade. Have you used Interactive Brokers versus eTrade before? What was your experience? Leave your Interactive Brokers versus eTrade review in the comments section below. Did you know that Interactive Brokers, founded in 1978, is renowned for offering access to over 135 markets in 33 countries? Meanwhile, eTrade, established in 1982, became a pioneer in online trading by executing one of the first electronic trades. These two platforms have significantly influenced the evolution of online brokerage services. Interactive Brokers, IBKR, is acclaimed for its extensive range of trading tools and global market access, appealing primarily to professional and institutional investors. Its competitive commission rates, especially beneficial for high-volume traders, are a notable advantage. IBKR offers two main pricing models, fixed and tiered. Fixed pricing generally charges $0.005 per share with a $1 minimum per trade for U.S. stocks, while the tiered structure offers lower costs for higher volumes, varying based on monthly trading activity. Options trading is priced at 70 cents per contract for the fixed model, with discounts available for high-volume traders. Additionally, IBKR requires no minimum deposit for cash accounts and a $2,000 minimum for margin accounts, making it accessible to a wide range of investors. eTrade, on the other hand, has built its reputation as a user-friendly brokerage suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Known for its robust research tools, educational resources, and easy-to-navigate platform, eTrade offers a balance of ease of use and advanced functionalities. The platform has moved toward a zero-commission structure for standard trades, appealing to a broader base of retail investors. Both platforms offer a wide range of investment products, including stocks, options, futures, forex, and bonds, providing investors with ample opportunities to diversify their portfolios. However, IBKR's global reach and access to international markets give it an edge for investors seeking exposure beyond domestic markets. In terms of platform usability, eTrade's interface is often praised for its intuitiveness, making it a favorable choice for novice investors. Its educational resources and research tools further support beginners in making informed investment decisions. Conversely, IBKR's platform, while offering advanced trading tools and analytics, may present a steeper learning curve, potentially posing a challenge for less experienced traders. Customer support is another critical consideration. eTrade is known for its responsive customer service, providing assistance through various channels, including phone and online chat. IBKR offers customer support as well, but some users have reported that the quality of service can be inconsistent, which may be a drawback for those who prioritize readily available assistance. Security is paramount in online trading, and both platforms are regulated by top-tier financial authorities, ensuring a high level of protection for investors. They employ robust security measures, including two-factor authentication and encryption protocols, to safeguard user data and funds. In conclusion, the choice between Interactive Brokers and eTrade largely depends on individual investment goals and experience levels. IBKR's extensive market access and competitive pricing make it an excellent choice for advanced traders seeking global exposure. In contrast, eTrade's user-friendly platform and comprehensive educational resources cater well to beginners and those who value straightforward, commission-free trading. Evaluating your specific needs and preferences is essential in selecting the platform that best aligns with your investment strategy.